Another day, another English lesson exploring the suffix wise. Have you ever wanted to say, when it comes to money, or in terms of weather, but in a quicker, more casual way? That's where the suffix wise comes in. In English, we can add wise to the end of many words to talk about a particular topic or point of view. It's a modern, informal, and flexible suffix that's used a lot in spoken language, especially when people want to sound casual or efficient. Let's take a look at how it works. What does wise mean? The suffix wise usually means in relation to or from the point of view of a certain topic. It's often used to introduce one area of a situation, especially when comparing, organizing, or giving an opinion. Some common examples: money-wise, we're doing okay. In terms of money, things are okay. Health-wise, I feel much better this week. From a health point of view, I'm better. Weather-wise, it's not the best day for a picnic. Talking about the weather, it's not great. Job-wise, things are a bit uncertain right now. When it comes to work, it's uncertain. As you can see, wise helps us shift the focus of the conversation to a particular area. Is it always informal? Yes, wise is more common in spoken English or casual writing, like emails, texts, or social media. It's less common in formal writing or academic English, where phrases like in terms of, regarding, or with respect to are preferred. Still, it's very useful and natural in everyday conversation. Can you add wise to any noun? Not quite, but almost. People often add wise to all sorts of nouns, even if the word isn't in the dictionary with that suffix. It's flexible. Here are some creative but understandable examples. Food-wise, the restaurant was great, but service-wise, not so much. Schedule-wise, this week is packed. Outfit-wise, I'm ready for the party. Even if these aren't official words, native speakers use them all the time, and listeners usually understand the meaning right away. In short, adding wise to a word means you're talking about that aspect or area of something. It's informal, helpful, and great for making your speech more fluent and natural. Now watch and change the words in blue into a word ending in the suffix wise. Money-wise, they're doing very well this year. Two, I think we're okay weather-wise. It's not raining anymore. Three, career-wise, this move makes a lot of sense. Four, we're a bit behind time-wise. Five, food-wise, I thought the dessert was the best part. Six, the team is struggling communication-wise. Seven, health-wise, she's made a full recovery. Eight, school-wise, he's very focused and organized. 9. Budget-wise, we don't have much room left. 10. They're doing fine housing-wise. 11. Project-wise, we're almost ready to launch. 12. Safety-wise, leaving rope like that isn't a good idea. I hope you'll watch more worldwide ELT English language learning videos soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.